What's up, guys? Eric with Verus Engineering, and we have a customer 718 GT4 behind us, which we did a lot of testing on, and then we actually upgraded as well with our Aero Kit as well as suspension and made it track ready for the customer. It is leaving us, unfortunately, very shortly, and we wanted to do a quick walk around of what we did to the car and give you some insight into what we did ultimately. So our dive planes are a dual element. It is made out of 2x2 twill carbon fiber pre-preg, and then it is cleared with a gloss clear. These units improve front end downforce by creating a strong vortex along the side of the vehicle, pulling out that fender well. The splitter is chassis mounted, which I know a lot of people like that buzzword, but it is mounted to the chassis in multiple locations. We have an entire structural tube setup that allows this thing to see a lot of downforce. And then the blade itself is made out of carbon poly weave, which allows you to take a beating and not just crack and break quickly. The splitter's extremely strong with no external bracing, so that you keep that clean Porsche-esque feel to the car and the aerodynamic devices that we're adding. Something neat about this car is it is running racing studs and titanium lug nuts. Jared's a good friend of mine. It's pretty cool to see his products on the car as well. We also run Titan 7 on almost every car that we have in-house. So it's cool to see that Titan 7 was on this vehicle as well. And then we're running some nitron dampers on the inside, which really allowed us to push the car a lot harder on track and improve our lap time substantially. Racing also offers a tow hook. It's really nicely made, and then it actually has a GoPro mount, which allowed us to get some on-track footage. This is our V1X rear wing element for the 718 and 981 GT4. It produces a lot of rear end downforce for your Porsche. Swan neck wings are actually more efficient. I believe it's right around 13%. It basically cleans up that underside flow, which allows the airflow to attach to the bottom side of the wing, which actually does more work than the top side.